Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your daily energy, Scorpios, we'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. For your career situation and your love reading, I'll be picking one card each from another deck. So these are for your daily energies, guys. So for that love energy and career situation, guys, we will pick cards as we proceed. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about that when we pick the cards, so that reading may resonate to your situation, guys. So let's start with the daily energy, Scorpios. It's Six of Earth, World, and Queen of Fire. So these cards may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. So with these cards, guys, I see that you, in your heart of hearts, you are seeing some changes in the way you perceive your situation, changes you perceive the things in your career or in your personal life. So your perception is changing today, and maybe in certain path you may be doubting something. Maybe you are having doubts on yourself, on your skills and talents, or some circumstance you are having some fear about something. Maybe you fear that certain things may not go well for you in your career or in your personal life. You have some apprehensions in your situation today, guys. But I see that you are making creative collaborations today with people. So when you work with people, when you work with the people with the same equal talents or equal mindset, you are contributing to each other's success and each other's positive growth today. And you have to remember that there are certain things coming towards you in a very unexpected way. Maybe people helping you with generosity, and you may see that things, you may get unexpected resources coming in to help you in some way today. And I also see that you are passionate about certain choices that you're making in your career. So that again may be helpful to you. Again, people are there guiding you and helping you in this co-creation, inspiring you to express your passionate endeavors. So maybe some of you are moving towards some creative venture in your career, guys. It may be a second career. So today there are people willing to help you and guide you for everyone's for the highest good of all. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your daily energy. So your creative energy is at its peak, and you are having a day full of surprises, guys. So this person may come to surprise you, or in your career something is simply surprising you, something you are happy about today, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Scorpio. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So I'll be picking one card from this deck. So in your situation, whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it. And I will open the card now, guys. It is chaos and conflict. So with this card, in your career situation, it just means that something is not going the right way in your career. You may see some disorder of things, but this disorder is that disorder before things are getting back into order again. So you need not worry about this situation today, guys. So your stubbornness, you have to give up that stubbornness. And in your circumstance, things may appear very chaotic, but all that is happening now is that things are shaking up, so that you will find that real path to prosperity today. So you may feel that there are things opposing you in your situation, and you should not forget that there is a divine purpose behind everything that is happening in our life, guys. So this is the time that everything that is not working for you, working for that benefit of you, is going to leave you, and whatever is essential for your ultimate prosperity, only that is going to be there in you, be there with you, guys. And this is a divinely inspired time. So even though it may not appear so, but the truth is that, guys. So you need to understand that, and you will know that this is the time that things will begin to align, and this is a very valuable time, guys. So you should not waste this time. You should be present at this time, at this eye of chaos. So you will get that better understanding. You will know in the situation what is your true intention, and you will work in your career towards that better positive change, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your career situation, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. So I'll be picking one card for your relationship, guys. This is the card. I will keep it here. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will open the card now. A leg up. This card just means that we have to delegate authority to that other person, have that interdependence, and be ready to receive help, guys. So you have come to a point where going alone in this circumstance is not optimal for you, guys. So the same way in this relationship, when you depend on that person, look up to that person for support or some help, maybe it may be something even small help. When you allow that person to support you, just you are there to support them. So maybe if you are vulnerable to speak up about your needs, you should not feel that way today, guys, because only if you ask, this person will know what is in your mind, and you will be met with kindness and love. This person will come forward to help you. You cannot expect that other person to read your mind, but if you ask help, you will receive help, guys. This is the time for you to allow that teamwork and that interdependence, so miracles will happen in your life, and you will be filled with day of surprises, guys. Scorpios, that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.